when working out some imperfections on this laundry door. Unfortunately, these things are particle board, so you can't really sand them.
Not particle board. These are medium density fiber board, MDF for short. It's almost
these little imperfect things.
The MDF is almost like a really strong cardboard, and if you try to sand it, it kind of shreds away the material. So using something like a putty knife or a 5-in-1 painter's tool or a chisel like I did here works out a little bit better for removing these imperfections.
To work out the little stuff. About it. You just got to be careful not to peel the paint completely off. This one I'm just touching up spots, make it a little better. But that'll make it that much better. All right. That'll dry in nice. Nice smooth new door.